Hello students, in this video you're going to learn about fuzzy inferences. The basic fuzzy inferences are modus ponens, modus tonens and chain rule. So what are these rules? How you are going to derive the conclusion from the given predicates. Okay, so coming to the first one, modern ponens, P implies Q, P implies Q, comma negation Q implies negation P. Chain rule is like your transitive relation. P implies Q, Q implies R, implies P implies R. So these are the examples like given one C or T. You have this one negation of H implies A and negation B. So these are the predicates where you have. So from the above, how we can calculate R union is, how you infer this. So this can be done using this modern pollens, modern tolerance. Okay. So the main important point about the generalized modus ponens is GMP. If X is A, then Y is B. X is A dash, that is negation, Y is B dash. So you have to remember this one. Similarly, generalized modus ponens is this is. So X is A, then Y is B. Here X is A dash, here Y is B dash, B complement, X is A complement. So these are the main basic rules we have to remember. So how we are going to calculate? So what is the formula for modus ponens and modus tonens? So in this example, A comma B comma A complement and B complement are the fuzzy sets. So to compute the membership function of these values, the maximum composition of fuzzy sets B complement and A complement respectively with the help of R of X comma Y. So remember these two formulas, B complement equal to A complement circle relation of X comma Y. So this can be calculated by the formula called max min. So max of min of mu A complement of X comma mu R of X comma Y. So this is again the Cartesian product, what we have learned in the previous videos. So this will be mu R of X comma Y, where you will find the minimum value between X and Y. So similarly, this formula is A complement equal to B complement circle R of X comma Y. Mu A of X equal to max min of mu B complement of Y comma mu R of X comma Y. So here mu R of X comma Y are the relations which can be represented with the help of the Cartesian products. Now we'll see with an example. So generalized GMP modus ponens. So if X is A, then Y is B. So we are considering two X and Y values, X1, X2, X3, and Y equal to Y1, Y2. And we have X1, A equal to X1, comma 0.5, and X2 equal to 1, and X3 0.6. Similarly, for B, we have only two values, that is Y1 equal to 1 and Y2 equal to 0.4. Here, A complement is given as X1, comma 0.6, X2, comma 0.9, and x3 comma 0.7. So these values will be given in the problem itself. Now we have to find out the rule. Now here the rule was, see in the example, A complement is given. So we imply X is A complement. So then according to the rule, Y is B complement. So X is A, then Y is B, X is A complement and Y is B complement. So what is the formula we have to calculate here? B complement equal to, so we are going to calculate B complement. So according to the formula what I have shown here, so we have to substitute the values in this particular formula. So B bar or B complement, and you can use any value for that. So we can call as B dash also, not a problem. So for our understanding, I'm using this terminology. Now, this is the relation A circle R. R is the relation X comma Y, where R equal to, so max of A cross B comma A complement cross Y. Again, how to calculate the A cross B? A cross B will be calculated with the values of minimum of 2 in X1 and Y1. So if you go back here, X1 and Y1, so which one is minimum? 0.5. X1 and Y2, which one is minimum? 0.4. Similarly, X2 and Y1 both are equal, so it will be 1. X2 and Y4 minimum is 0.4. X3 and Y1 it is 0.6, and X3 and Y2 it is 0.4. So same thing which is represented over here. And how to negation, how to calculate this one? 1 minus A complement. So these values will be done, and accordingly A cross Y, again it is minimum, it is calculated. So after getting your A cross B and A cross A complement cross Y, so we have to substitute in the formula, that is in the given circle relation formula. So this is our formula now, R A cross B union A complement cross Y. So you will get the complete relation of X comma Y, that is this one. So how to calculate union? Maximum of two values. So maximum of two values are there. Finally, now we have the values of A dash and you have to calculate the B dash value. So what is the formula for that? So here already A values are 0 0.6, 0 0.9, 0 0.7 circle. So whatever we have calculated the relation. So this can be calculated using the formula over here. So I'm little coming back. So our value we are going to calculate this one. B dash equal to A dash circle of R comma X1 equal to mu b of I equal to, first we have to calculate the minimum of mu a complement x comma mu r of x comma y. So from a and each relation you have to calculate minimum, and after out of those minimum values you have to find the maximum value. So this will be the result. So only thing is, so first we have to calculate 0 0.6, 0 0.5, what is the minimum, 0 0.6 and 0 0.5. Here 0 0.6 and 0 0.1, 0 0.76 and 0 0.1, which one is the minimum? So out of this particular minimum, what is the maximum value? Then you will get the 0 0.9. Similarly, 0 0.9 with all these values. So when we calculate all these values, finally we will get the B dash. So only thing you have to remember is whenever you're talking about modern ponens, so these are the two formulas you have to remember for calculating according to the inference. Okay. Now coming to the next example. Yeah, this is over done. Next one is model tolerance. So same here, x is a, then y is b. Remember there we have written x is a dash, here y is b dash. Then you will get x is a dash. So what is the formula for this? Okay. So what is the formula for calculating this? So same thing, you have the example here x1, y1, and same example we are considering here, but there we got a dash, here we'll get the b dash. So you have to calculate here over a dash. So there we have calculated b dash. So what will be the formula? Once I'm going back in order to get the formula. 1 second. So what was the formula for B dash? Yeah. So here we are going to calculate A dash. A dash equal to B dash circle R of X comma Y. Same thing. Here in place of A, you will get the B dash. Remaining everything procedure is same. So same example here, we got the B dash values, generalized modern tolerance. So first I'll calculate the relation between R of X comma Y, that is X1 comma Y1, minimum values. Similarly, A complement, okay, two values we have to calculate. This is A cross B. So first I'll calculate the A cross B with the help of this minimum, and A complement cross Y again minimum. Finally, R of X comma Y, we have used the formula, same formula. So I'm not calculating again. So same thing, I can directly take here R of X comma Y is this value. Now coming to the next formula, here also A dash equal to 0 0.9 comma 0 0.7. So these values with first minimum values, then maximum values. So finally we'll get the A dash equal to x1 comma 0 0.5, x2 comma 0 0.9 and x3 comma 0 0.6. So this will be the both the generalized modern tolerance and modern tolerance. Done. So this is the exact formulas, two formulas you have to remember. So B dash equal to this one, A dash equal to this one. So these two formulas you have to remember in order to find the inference rules with the help of the modest ponens and modern tolerance. So one more example, you can practice on this. So example is if temperature is high, then you have to take rotation is low, temperature is very high. So this is your predicate and this is your value. So you have to find out this one values. So x equal to set of temperature, y equal to set of rotations per minute. So this is a formula, R equal to H cross S, H complement Y. So you have to calculate QS. So QS, it is VH, already VH value is over here. Circle of relation, what you have calculated. So this will give the output. So this is regarding your modest tolerance and modest pollens. So thank you.